Yeah, in 15 minutes, I will be completing the topic of functions. Okay. I was aware you haven't attended, so I'll try to give a quick recap. Okay, what we have covered in the last two classes or three classes. Okay, fine. So that you can understand better, right? Okay. If you have any doubts, I'll clarify you. Just a small topic is there. That is, we have introduced the lambda function in the last class, which is nothing but anonymous function. Okay, right? So we'll see how can we integrate. Okay, filter function, map function, reduce function using lambda, right? Okay. So Shrimukhi, can you tell me what is the meaning of filter function? Lambda function, I already told. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll revise. I mean, yeah. So at least tell me what is lambda function first. Okay. Shabu. First, you should tell lambda function means it's an anonymous function which is not having any name, right? That is expected, right? Okay, fine. Then I told you the syntax of lambda function. Suppose the function is like def even, is even. Okay, the function is like is even. Okay. Suppose this is something like this. The input is x. If x modulus 2 equal to 0, return true. Okay. Else return false. Right. This is the basic function. Okay. Shrimukhi. So if you remember, how can we convert this function to lambda function? Tell me, Shrimukhi. Come on. Yep. So you should, yeah, you should use a keyword called lambda. Okay. Then see what is the input, what is the output. Okay. Input is x. Okay. Colon. Okay. X modulus 2 equal to 0. You should write something like that. Okay. Wait. I'll tell you. Lambda. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Okay. Thank God. Lambda. Okay. Lambda. Then what is the input? X. The logic is what, guys? If x modulus a modulus 2 equal to 0, we'll use ternary operator, return true, else return false. Am I correct, Shrimukhi? This is how we can convert a normal function to lambda function, right? Alike, are you able to understand at least something like, see, what I'm doing? I am just converting my normal function. This function you got it right, Alike? We are checking for the function is even or not. Okay. So what I'm doing, I am just checking whether it is divisible by 2. I'm returning true. Yeah, else it is not. It's not an even function, even number, right, Alakya? So the same. You are fine with it, right? This block. The same. The same function. Yes. This. Yeah. Exactly, like you're so sharp. Even though you're not attending the last class, but yeah, exactly right. Yeah, exactly. Yes. That is different topic. This is different topic, but again, both are reducing the number of lines. Yeah, exactly. So in project, you might be thinking why we are giving priority for this. Okay, in the project level, they won't see for a logic. Okay, even yeah, logic will be right also. They will see for a core standards like reliability. Okay, you know, modularized. Lot of things they will check. Okay, not only logic. The answer is right. It's not like that. Okay, they'll check for lot of factors. Okay, right? Fine. Alekya, are you fine with it? Sorry, Alekya Shimukir, are you fine with it? So we'll slowly use lambda function, right? Okay, site. We'll see. Sorry, filter function. Okay. The first we'll write the definition. Shimuk, if possible, stay till 9:10. Okay, please. Sorry, Shimuk. Actually, I was not able to wake up. Hardly. Yeah, but again, just we are left with hardly 6 to 7 classes. Okay. Yeah, if we are completing, we have happy ending. Yeah. So we can use filter function to filter values from the given sequence based on some condition. Okay, from the given sequence. Right, Shimuki? So nothing, Shimuki. So we suppose we have a list of values, right, Shimuki? Suppose let's assume I have a list of values. Okay, 10, 13, 15, okay, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So I want to filter out what are all the even values here. Okay. Right? From here, I want to filter out all the even values by using filter function. See, suppose if you take a some for loop, right? Okay, you can get every number and you can check. Is that fine? Alekia, how you will do it, Alekia, basically? Alekia, are you there? How can we filter out even numbers as per the knowledge you have? Yeah, so first you should extract each number, right? For x in L, if then exactly, yeah, if x modulus 2, something like that, we'll write, right, Alekia? Uh, print even, okay, print x, something like this, so that we can filter out all the even values. Am I correct or not, Alekia? The same thing we'll do by using filter with lambda, okay? What is that? Filter with lambda, okay? See how you will write. Okay. So after filtering, we'll get a new list. Okay. Or something like you write a new underscore list equal to, okay. New list equal to what? List of, see how I'm writing. Filter. Filter is a function. It will take two arguments, guys. One is even function name, comma L. See how I'm writing? Is even is a function. Suppose Aleki, are you able to got it? Def is even. Aleki, see Aleki, hello, Shimuki, are you able to got? See, list. I am converting all the filtered values. For the filtered values, I am taking the function name, which is nothing but is even and list. So what do you mean by this? Transfer each value of this list into this function. Okay, Aleki, fine, Aleki. Yeah. Okay, it's not like return true. Okay, return true, else return false. Okay. So what the filter function will do? Okay, when the value is true, then only it will capture the particular value. Okay. Else, if the value is false, it won't capture. Okay. Okay, right. See, in Python, indentations are the biggest problem, right? Okay. See, chalo. Uh, we'll have some numbers of list. Guys, Hello. Yeah, yeah, I can. Sorry, guys, that today internet in the PG. Hello, Aleki, can you hear me, Aleki? Yeah, the internet in PG is very bad. I was trying to connect with the phone Wi-Fi. Okay, right. Yeah, so we'll get back to there where we stopped. Okay, see, guys, we have written our own function which is returning true or false. Okay, so the filter function will take those values which for whom the output is true. Okay, right? Aleki, are you able to understand now what the filter function will do here? See, we are taken list of, then filter of. E is even is a function name, and list is a group of values like a list. Okay, fine, Alekya? Yes. Okay, that's it, right? Now the same function will achieve with the lambda. Okay, see, let me run the code. See, I am filtering out all the even values. Now, guys, you should tell me, Shrimuki, you tell me, Shrimuki, how can I achieve the same function with lambda? Tell me, yaar, what is there? See, E is even, okay, equal to, see, lambda keyword, input is x, output should be, come on, x modulus 2 అయితే x modulus 2 is true, then you should return true, else return false, right? That's it, right?